guys, welcome to the Cowboy Tips. How we understand fake money, how to spot fake money. Is it real money or fake one? This is 200 euros. I think this is fake. I will explain how to understand fake money step by step. First, you can use a backlight. You see, light comes from the backside of the money. We cannot see filigran or hologram on the white area. You see, it is very easy tips, very easy method to understand. Also, middle of the money, center of the money, there should be security tape or band. There is no. On the symbols, there should be roughness, embossed symbol, there should be on the money. And this is backside of the 200 euro. You see, there is no roughness, no embossed symbols. Also, white area, you see. Okay, the white area are very important to understand fake money. We will use now backlight from the backside of the money. There is, you see the transparent money, but there is no filigram or hologram on the white area. So this money is fake. No security tape, no roughness. Also, other side, you see there is no roughness, no embossed symbols, no security tape. This money is nothing, friends. 200 euro, but nothing. Okay, I will destroy this money. Okay, I split out money, tie up and split out, and I will destroy this money because it is nothing. This is fake 200 euro. I'm not rich enough to have 200 euro, but I have fake one. Unfortunately, 200 euro is very rare money. You see. Okay, see you, friends.